Hey Gary, so this is what I got. First of all, I got to show you my 15-year-old just got home from baseball practice. Fell asleep.
Not yet today.
So here's what I got. I got my red going to the starter relay, the red from the fuse box coming in, the blue from the fuse box going there, and then I've got the ground from the fuse box grounded to the fender, grounded to this battery cable, and then the battery cable is also grounded to the fender. So I've got quite a bit of ground there. I had these wires in the original harness. I've got a red and blue, yellow, something or the other color. Looks maybe a brown. I think that these were probably for the electronic ignition, and I don't need them at all. So that's kind of what I gathered from our conversation. But then I've got the fuse box sitting there. Got it wired sitting into the engine harness. My ECU is plugged in. I got my wires coming into the engine compartment here. And underneath here I've got my ignition. Now my ignition, I've got a yellow, two pink and blues, kind of a brown that I cut that I don't think I'm gonna need. I thought that was maybe my red and green, but it wasn't. So anyway, what I did is I took my pink and blue and I connected it to the ignition, the pink ignition, hot and short start only. And then I took my red and green there and I connected it to my red, which was the ignition switch, hot and run and start. I've connected all the grounds I can find. Think I'm good. But when I turn it, I don't get anything. So, wondering maybe if you see something wrong. If not, got a buddy coming over. Thanks, bye.